In the previous video, I showed you how you use custom expressions on top of perspective. But one of the most useful custom expressions is bucketing. Bucketing allows us to do custom intervals or custom buckets of a given column value. Let's say I want to get a total of my sales or compare my sales by month over month. So compare January sales versus February versus March, etc. Let's see how I do that. I'm still using my superset demo data set. So let's apply by doing some custom expressions. If I want to do a group by order date, by default, we're going to get a group by of the most granular data set or bucket that's available in order date. In this case, it's by day. That's not exactly what we want. We want to do by month, so a custom interval. And that's where bucketing comes in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new column and create a bucket expression. So first, I'm going to call this, let's say, order date by month. And I am going to use a bucketing function. The very first parameter is the column that you want to bucket by, so it's the order date. And again, columns are in double quotes. And then the second parameter of bucket is the bucketing interval. So in this case is month, or the string literal for capital M for month. Once I have this correct, I can create the column, and now that shows up here. So let's take only sales. I'm going to select sales here. And where is sales? Let's deselect this first. Select sales, sum of the sales, and now let's group by order date month. And I can use my bucket anywhere within the split bys, the group bys, or anywhere in my data visualization. And now you can see the total of sales month by month. So I have January sales, February, March, April, etc. It's important to note that I can use bucketing on things that are dates or numerical columns. So let's say I wanted to order actually sales. Let's change this differently. Take a numerical column, and the second value is again the interval that I want to bucket by. So this is going to bucket my sales in 1,000 increments. It's also important to know that you can apply functions on top of this. Let's say sales was really skewed. Maybe some items have like really high sales, they're like $10 million, but some other items are only a few dollars. And the best way to visualize that, since you're going to get a really skew in the category, maybe is to take the log of sales and then bucket it by increments of 10 or 100. Again, this should show you how you can apply bucketing functions on top of different data types. Dates, you can bucket by interval, time intervals, or numerical values any way that you like.